Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can get lineups in Prizepicks, okay? So it's really easy and simple. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up the Prizepicks app or go to their website, log into your account, and you'll be taken to the home page. Next, guys, what you want to do is you want to navigate to the sports tab, okay? And then select the sports that you actually are interested in, whether it's basketball or football, baseball, or any other sports available. And once you've selected your sport, guys, okay, that you're actually interested in, you'll see all the upcoming games and events for that sport. And for detailed lineups, you want to click on a specific match, and here you can see the available players and their performance stats. And PrizePicks often updates player data to reflect real-time stats, injuries and game time decisions. Now, what you want to do is, if you want to build your lineup, you can either choose a player props or a fantasy scores, depending on your strategy. You want to pick the players you want to include, and they'll automatically appear in your bet slip. And guys, if you need additional lineup details, and PrizePicks actually offers, helpful stats and insights to help you make those best choices. And you can also check out some external sources for things like injury reports or fantasy football sites for more information on a different players, okay? So it's really that easy and simple. Then you can go ahead and hit the blue button that says submit lineup, and you are done. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the